Somebody man, you know, all of my vibes, come here drink too. All of my vibes and right. Shawn will come to me and say, yo dog, I see them seeing this. And I say, oh fuck.
But Vybz Kartel, let's be real. Black Rhino. Vybz Kartel. Let's be real. Black Rhino Vybz Kartel. I'm so me a Gaza fan. But we want to see Black Rhino on a stage, Kartel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we will look at Vybz Kartel being urged to recruit not just Gaza, Sheba, not just Gaza, you know, all of the Gaza and Paradigm Popcorn, but he is being urged to also recruit back Black Rhino. We also have Spice finally opening her physical store for Grassinor, her brand. And we also have Vybz Kartel giving back, you know, clapping back at the haters for the videos he posted regarding his rehearsal for Freedom Street. We're also going to talk about Walk and Talk finally giving an explanation as to what happened between him and Shawn Storm. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you stay tuned. But like the video, leave a comment and subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. So Vybz Kartel basically did a roll call to show who the artists are that are going to show up at the Freedom Street concert on December 31st. When you hear that, Red? And you know, Skillibeng, Spice, Popcorn, Tamale, all of these are expected, and Chronic Law, and he did say some of the world-renowned rappers like Drake are gonna show up. But speaking of Spice, she finally opened up a physical location in Atlanta of her store Grassinor brand. Check this out.
Hey guys, hey besties. Of course I had to get y'all involved. They just left my phone. I made my little speech already, but you guys missed it. But this is the grand opening for my first physical location for Grassinor. So stay tuned and stay behind the scenes so you can see everything. Okay, ready guys? After
yes.
3, 1, 2, 3. Grassinor!
Oh, sorry, baby. Huh? Oh, yeah, the thing. Okay. You have to probably go at the front. Oh, yeah, baby.
Big up Spice, proud of her. That's a good look, you know. Speaking of Vybz Kartel, the other day there was a video shoot involving Shawn Storm, Sidem, Vybz Kartel, and Walk and Talk was there. Now there was a video going around where it may have looked like Walk and Talk was being bullied by Shawn Storm. So Walk and Talk come out now finally and told us what exactly happened. Check this out.
Yeah, we start now. I mean, pass all the grab box to Shawn Storm. I tell him, say, yo, I'll put a grab box on you, and then say, oh yeah, boom. Yeah, you know, see them, she not too light, the spotlight, see them back off. Remember, so see them turn, I'm not gonna lie to you. Somebody man, you know, all of my vibes, come here drink too. All of my vibes, and right. Shawn Storm come to me, say, yo, dog, I see them seeing this. I say, see them pass me the grabber. And I say, oh fuck. You see? I say, I see them seeing this dog. So, and I'm like, Chance, I say, pussy auntie, I see them seeing this already. No, you so calm telling me that. And I could have fun me for that one thing already. No.
Tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section. Now, everybody saw that Popcorn went and gave Vybz Kartel a watch the other day. You know, friendly gesture. And Black Rhino, him never too like that because obviously he posts and I said we're a big friend and everybody knows him a Popcorn in my talk, right? So there's this TikToker that came on live and say, you know, a Kartel alone can mend that and Kartel for just squash everything with everybody, between the two of them, and they are between the three of them rather, because we miss Black Rhino. He's a talented youth, you know. If you're going to unite the Gaza, why not include him? But check this out. This is what he said.
Yeah, this message is for Vybz Kartel. Much respect. Majority of us, you bring it through with child wipe on the hood, but you bring it through the childhood. You're a dancer king now, you're the king of the dancer, you're the emperor to the Gaza empire, and the list goes on. Now we know you, we know, say, yo, you love your fans, and we see you recruit everybody to the Gaza, Hindu, Shiva, Popcorn, Tamili, all of them people we see you recruit, and we love it. We love it. But Vybz Kartel, let's be real. Black Rhino, Vybz Kartel. Let's be real. Black Rhino, Vybz Kartel. I'm so me a Gaza fan, but we want to see Black Rhino up on a stage, Kartel. Girl, can I money have to make? Adija Palmer, you know, respect it to the fullest. I want to tell you to the fullest, but the fans them, a big discussion we have today. Me and some of my friends them say, oh, Rhino need for them on the stage show Vybz Kartel. Now as a true fan, we don't know what going between two of them, but when I ask, I would surely ask Mr. Vybz Kartel, Mr. Adija Palmer.
One thing, Kartel, forgive Black Rhino a chance, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Vybz Kartel looks like he's putting out an 8-part series about his life to be premiered on December 16. I saw a picture where I thought I saw Gaza Hindu doing like an interview, you know, how they do the love and hip hop confession sessions, yeah. So that should be interesting. Still on Vybz Kartel. I think a few people were, you know, mocking him dancing during the rehearsal and the videos, and he clapped back on his IG story, and he said, to all the anti-Gaza citizens them where watch me rehearsal, stop going like me make no hungry. Me done free and me 20 times richer without even do one show. But mine is a hard job to boost the cloud, but my job is easy. Praise God and receive blessings. God is the greatest. Tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section. Now, Tavian, or Tavi, sorry if I'm butchering her name, Skillibeng's girlfriend, she said that all of his songs are dedicated to her, written and sung for her. She was on a podcast, and, you know, the guy asked her, I forgot his name, you know, about the original Guyana regular, and, you know, she was saying, of course it's about me, but check this out.
Top had this to say about Skillibeng songs.
Smoothie in a regular, pretty for real, I'm pretty for your cellular. No, I say you're hot. Cause if you never know that song, you know.
10 points.
Them play it in the house. You heard it before it came out.
Oh yeah, that song is for me.
Oh.
Original, girl, you wanna. Oh.
Tavian, you got me stunned a while ago. I was too stunned. I was like, oh.
Maybe I'm delusional. I'm telling myself say all of them are for me. Let's go.
All the song. Oh, so little short skirt is for you?
Of course. No, that one is definitely for me.
Okay. See,
Yeah.
little short skirt.
Yeah.
Period.
Yeah. No, for real. Listen.
No, the way she answered, that song is for her.
Yeah.
You know, remember that lady here, Nadine? She was the one that blew the whistle on the crab lady, Alice, the one that was making, you know, getting all the customers, let's say that. No, she said ever since the incident, you know, everywhere she go, people that try bully her. But it's funny though, because somebody who did rather, we can't even know someone eat unhealthy and then go after and no say, also got something to do, other to did rather. Everyone gonna bully the lady, she'd get a job, and the people them come and try to sabotage her. But check this out.
Contract for boil some soup. Me nah run back a PMP, me nah run back a Labour right. I'm a mutual person. Well, the person where did some of get licking on my face when the ear circle scandal. Them come at the meeting. Them see me I share the soup because me already get paid for boil the soup. So me just for come and share the soup. To come and share the soup, people. And me daddy I share the soup. People love the soup. Come back all 2-3 times. Soup when a boil good, people no come back 2 and 3 times. The person was there. Them was the one. The soup not taste good. I don't know good meat in the soup. I'ma tell you something. You can't stop purpose. You can't stop purpose. Because me not think me do nothing wrong what happen in Era Circle. I come out for the people and make them see what I want. And this for stop. Because when I feel like you can't stop me. Let me tell you something. I always say to God, say, you say anything I work I road, I want to share it. And I love how things are going for me. Because there are children pass sometime and them spend off their money. Auntie, you can't give me a bus fare, I want to go home. There is somebody I got to work and stand up and I spin all long and afraid for approach me sometime. And then after you see them walk come, you can't give me $100 or $150, you know, so I want to run go somewhere. Or me have work for go, I not have no fear, but me afraid for come to you. I just go in on my apron and come out and dip and give them. You understand? So you can't stop purpose. You cannot stop purpose. You understand me? God go with you now.
What you guys think in the comment section. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. And if you reach this far in the video, thank you so much. Honestly, leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.